Silhouette Cutting Mats Overview. Silhouette cutting mats are thin plastic sheets with a sticky adhesive surface to hold the material in place. These cutting mats are specifically designed to be used with Silhouette machines. The cutting mats come in 5 different sizes: 24 by 24 inches, 14 by 15 inches, 12 by 24 inches, 12 by 12 inches, and 8 by 12 inches. The cutting mat comes with 3 different adhesive levels for different materials: standard, light, and strong tack mats. The standard tack mat is the regular cutting mat. It is recommended to use with cardstocks, chipboard, magnet paper, craft foam, and other mid-weight specialty materials. The light tack mat is perfect for thin materials such as copy paper, sticker paper, vellum, and other thin specialty materials. The strong tack mat is recommended for thick materials such as fabric, felt, leather, and other sticky specialty materials. Silhouette also has a PixScan mat to use with the innovative PixScan technology. To use, place the material on the mat, take a picture using a camera or scanner, and import it to Silhouette Studio. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com. or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.